Please stand for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Hawks. Today is Wednesday, November 20th. My name is Lucas Ferry, and these are your morning announcements. Tomorrow, the LHHS Bake Bunch will host a holiday bake sale starting at 2:45 p.m. outside the cafeteria. All proceeds will go to support Feeding America, a nationwide organization that works to end hunger in the United States. This is a cash-only fundraiser, so be sure to bring your Benjamins and enjoy a little sweet treat to support a sweet cause. Students, don't forget tomorrow is the last day to bring in your donations for this year's canned food drive. All collections should be brought to your third period class, and the class with the most donated items will receive a prize. All food items will be donated to South County Outreach to help feed families throughout the holidays. For a list of all the most needed items, please check the flyers posted around campus. And seniors, mark your calendars because on Thursday, December 5th, LHHS will host a financial aid night in the MPR starting at 6 p.m. A financial aid specialist from Saddleback College will be on campus to help students and their families with the free application for federal student aid or their California DREAM Act application. Please contact your counselor if you have any questions. Attention all Jedi Knights. The Star Wars Club will meet today in Mr. McGriff's room 167. They will be finishing Attack of the Clones and starting with Revenge of the Sith. So grab your blue milk, hop into your X-34 land speeder, and come be part of the fun. And the Kids Factory is looking to hire fun, energetic, and responsible staff members for after-school programs at various elementary schools throughout the cities of Mission Viejo and Lake Forest. For more information, just follow the link in our description below. Now let's send it to Matthew for the Hear Me Out cake.
Hey Hawks, today we're doing a Hear Me Out cake. A Hear Me Out cake is when you put someone you find attractive on the cake where other people wouldn't find attractive, and you have to explain why you find them attractive. And we're gonna start out with our guest star, Adeline.
What's up, Hawks?
Okay, I'll start. Eric Cartman's mom in South Park. You know, she's like very talented and very, very human-like.
Okay, I got, it's kind of self-explanatory. Like, if you know, you know.
I'm Ram, and my Hear Me Out is Silky from Teen Titans Go.
My name is Isabella, and I really like Slenderman. I think mine's more important. I really like Slenderman, cause wait, is that school appropriate? Oh, you know I like him.
Tall.
Skinny. Pale.
Skinny.
Skinny.
A lot of arms.
Hi, I'm Danny, and my Hear Me Out is Gnu from Lilo and Stitch, the villain. I like him because he's tall, muscular, and low-key, kind of fine. I'll make sure he stays on Earth.
Hi, I'm Juliana, and my Hear Me Out is Bolt. Bolt from Bolt. So very fierce, so cute. Love that little lightning bolt on him. Very cute.
Hi, I'm Vanessa, and mine is like Puss in Boots. I think he's attractive because he has a really good accent, he has great character arc, good fight scenes, and he's just adorable, so yeah.
My name's Grecia. My Hear Me Out is Jack from Jack in the Box. Like, do I even have to say anything?
Okay, my next Hear Me Out is Peely from Fortnite. If you're on Fishy Gang, get away from me. Don't talk to me. Peely, he's tall. Have you seen him in a suit?
Okay, my character is Nicole Waterston from The Amazing World of Gumball, and she's just very attractive, and she's a mom.
I'm back again. So Hear Me Out is Nana from that little hat or whatever he has on his head. Very cutesies.
My next Hear Me Out, Alejandro from Total Drama. Like, bro, this man fine as hell. It's fine as hell.
My name is Dante, and I chose Darwin. Darwin from the Amazing World of Gumball. Because he looks really yummy, I would just eat him in a bite.
Hi, I'm Danny again. I chose Yuki, the cow lady, the mom of the little cloud from also the Amazing World of Gumball. Do I have to explain myself? Just look at her. She looks like a goddess.
Okay, next I have the brothers from Wildcrats. You know, blue and green are my favorite color, and like,
Okay, my last one is my biggest hear me out. The brown M&M. I always thought the brown one was better because look at her. She's better. She has glasses. And she's just way hotter. That was all for our hear me out cake. Back to the studio.
Thanks, Matthew. Now let's send it to Adeline for sports.
thank you, Lucas. A big congratulations goes out to sophomore Hannah Norris, who competed in the Southern Section D4 prelims. She got second place overall and will qualify for the Southern Section finals. Finals will be this Saturday at Mount San Antonio College in Wana, and we hope to see you there. If any boys are interested in playing golf this spring, they need to attend a mandatory meeting tomorrow during tutorial in room 306. See you there. The LHHS boys lacrosse team is hosting a dinner fundraiser next Wednesday, November 20th at Sergeant Pepperoni's Pizza Store on Aliso Creek Road in Aliso Viejo from 4 to 8 p.m. Just mention the fundraiser at checkout and 20% of your purchase will go back to supporting your boys lacrosse team. So whether you're dining in or taking an order to go, stop by Sergeant Pepperoni's Pizza Store next Wednesday and help support our boys lacrosse team. Now let's send it out back to Lucas.
Thanks, Adeline. Alright, Hawks. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out our Instagram at Laguna Hills Film. And as always, shout out Sawyer and go Hawks.